Hi guys, welcome back. Now if you're just watching us for the first time, we have a series of videos on what we are talking about, so I will encourage you to go through our YouTube channel and see our videos. You might just benefit from them. And if you've not yet subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that whenever we upload videos, you will be the first to know. Damilare, tell us what is going on here.
This is where I cook herbs.
Okay.
For malaria, for typhoid, for the jejely, for waist pain, for back pain. Some people find it difficult for them to cook herbs. You know, we are in Lagos, so everybody wants fast something in Lagos. So this is herbs for typhoid and malaria. It's for general cure. You can see this one. This one is Dogoyaro. This is Dogoyaro.
Dogoyaro here.
It's part of it.
Oh, okay.
This grasshopper is part of it. You can see this. You can see all those heart stick. It's also part of it because all these body health, waist pain, back pain, infection in the body system, and weakness of the body. You can see all those things are inside this pot.
Okay.
The live one. You can see that I'm cooking this one.
Live cooking.
I cook live cooking.
So this combination now is just
combination
for everyday
exactly,
detox.
Yes. So that can be for malaria, for typhoid, for jelly, for waist pain, for back pain, for infection of the body system.
Okay.
You can see that.
Can we see what it looks like inside? Camera, please come and take a closer view. Can we see what it looks like inside?
Yes, of course. I can even show you some certain things.
Please show us.
You can see.
Oh.
You can see the live one. You can see this. You can see how it looks like. You can see. Because all those herbs are very there. You know, I've cut everything inside and all those bara, tagiri, everything inside there. So now for typhoid, for jelly, for one, so you can see that's why it's make it more active because of everything is inside.
How long do you cook this? You cook it continuously?
Exactly, I cook it continuously and I change it every like 5 days.
Every 5 days?
Every 5 days in a week I change it.
Okay.
You can see that.
Can you tell us what these are?
Yes, this one is for back pain, for jelly, for menstrual pain. Why this one is for typhoid? You can see the one of typhoid. You can see that. This one is for typhoid. And why this one is for arthritis?
Arthritis.
Arthritis, yes.
Looks like palm oil.
This one is arthritis. So out for arthritis, you can see that for the bone, for the weak erection, weak and the body system. So this is arthritis for the bone and waist pain. Why this one is for low sperm count? You can see.
Oh, I see the herbs inside. Okay.
Yes, herbs.
Wow.
Low sperm count herbs. You can see. This is low sperm count herbs.
What is this?
This one is for typhoid. You can see this one is for typhoid.
Okay.
So it's for typhoid. So in case people that find it difficult to cook it at home, so we made it here. We cook it. We made it here so that it can be able to work effectively in the customer's body system.
And everything is okay to drink.
Yes, everything is okay to drink.
No side effects.
No side effects. Nothing.
Okay,
no
guys.
Side effects. Nothing.
Okay, guys, you can see live. You can see live where he's mixing and cooking his herbs. If you follow our former videos, you'll see where he made references to the different herbs that you can combine together, soak or cook or boil rather, for different ailments. And this is a practicality of how it is being done. Okay, wow. So this is sharp.
Yes, sharp.
Effective.
Very effective.
Now
in the body system.
My back, I get back pain.
I get one of typhoid, malaria, jelly, waist pain. That's why they cook them. Now live cook with this.
Wow.
So now confirm I go. That's why they say.
It be like say get customer.
Yeah, that one is yes. Yes, it is.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, madam.
I hope you don't mind. Can I ask you a few questions?
I don't mind.
Okay,
sir. Ask. Go
sorry,
ahead.
Sorry. How old are you?
I'm over 60 years now.
Wow. And how long have you been using this product?
Well, I've been using it for many years.
Please tell us about it. How does it
Well,
work?
it's a good medicine. It make my body any infections is working for the system of the body. If you have infection, if you have typhoid, if you have malaria, in fact, if you take this nowadays, you'll be okay. So now they make me to be pam. As you see me where they bound. Now they use for many years. And yes, I've been like teenage. I've been using this for many years.
Wow. It's
working for my system. All this typhoid, fever, malaria is working for the system.
Daddy, you don't look 60 plus. You look like 40 something, though.
Yes, I've been using it. You see that make me strong. Wow. You see that make me to be gidigba like this.
Wow.
That's it. I've been using it for many years.
All right, sir. Thank you very much.
Yes, you are welcome.
Yes, sir.
Abeg, give me. I'm okay. Give me.
Wow. Mr. Damilare, sorry, like this one now that you sold to Baba, how long is it going to take it?
It's going to take like twice. Like today, it's going to take it this afternoon. Then in the evening time after meal, then that's all. It's going to work perfectly in the body system.
Is it finishing everything in the? Now everything it go take?
Now it's going to, but now it's going to divide it into two. So we take it right now in the afternoon. Then in the evening after meal, it's going to take it. Then it's going perfectly in the body system.
Okay. Wow, guys.
I'm okay.
Be like say, Miss Sef, I go try this thing. As Baba down there, Miss Sef, I suppose you know what I mean. Hey. Eshe sir, thank you very much, sir. Eshe sir, thank you, sir. Wow. Okay, good afternoon.
God bless you, man.
I hope you don't go mind make ask more question.
Okay, no worry.
How old are you?
I'm 30 years.
Wow, how long have you been using this product?
I've been a year plus.
A year plus?
Yes.
Please, can you tell us how it work for your body?
It's work for me. I'm from Agege. I also come Agege come and buy it from here. I'm living at Agege. Because of it, I also from Agege come here to buy it.
Oh, you come all the way from Agege to Keja to buy it?
Yes.
Wow, so it is that effective?
It's very good. It's working very well.
Wow, okay, that's good to know. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Okay? Okay. No. So you come all the way from Agege to Keja to buy this?
Yes. Why? Because I've been to long. Even if that, then I want to buy it for my sister who have infections. Then they make that buy it to give to her. Then she take it only about 2 or 3 days. They think cure. She called me on phone that this is really work.
Oh.
On which by next week now I can be able to buy and send to her at ease.
So apparently he buys this agbo from here and sends to his sister in the east. He's saying that there was a time she was not feeling good. She had some kind of infection, and after 3 days, the infection got cleared, right?
Yes.
Wow, that is impressive.
That is it. And the medicine is working well, which some people are there. I even give me, and I even try to for me to help them and buy the same place that I buy what I give to my sisters.
Wow, that is very impressive. Okay, thank you very much. You never pay Amo. Make it not be like so we do interview with him. The man can't forget to pay the money we're supposed to pay. Okay, Mr. Damilare.
Yeah.
Apparently, these 2 guys that just came here, they have testified very well. I would like to try your product, so
no problem.
I would really like to.
No problem.
In fact, jadi they do me. This is my back. If I bend like
customer satisfaction is my pleasure. So I will give you the one that you really need. It's going to work perfectly and effectively in your body system.
Yes. Then as that Baba will say they over 60.
Yes.
He still they bounce.
One bounce.
When I reach 70, I want still do Siseko.
You know, it's a natural resources. It's going to bounce. Everything's going to work perfectly. You know, everything gets solution. So if you meet the right person, fine. Then that is will work perfectly in body system, and you can be able to testify. You know, and refer more customers to me.
Okay, guys. So you have heard it from Mr. Damilare, aka Nawode. You can hear it from his mouth that this thing it dey work. Me sef, I go try am. Mommy. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Afternoon.
Can I ask you a small question?
Yes.
Okay, ma. How old are you?
I am clocking to 50.
I beg, camera. See you. She's almost 50.
Yes,
and she still looks young.
Yes,
if you see the way she even bounce and how long have you been using this product?
It will be long.
Wow.
Anytime that's my belly, I eat. You know, say we eat all this concoction. It just worry me. I say Nawode, and everything will be okay.
Wow, really?
I will still call my daughter and say, come here. This is where Nawode dey, and this Nawode is special.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes,
wow.
yes,
I'm so impressed with
yes,
you. Mister, I want to try am.
Yes, try am. You not go look another place. Now here you go dey come.
Okay, confirm.
Yes.
I don't tell her as I dey go now, I go carry my own.
Yes, so now here you go dey come.
Make
everything you go flush am, you go clean am, you go dey okay.
Is that what is keeping you? As in, look at your.
Yes, keeping me fit.
Keeping you fit.
Bouncing every day. Yes.
Okay,
yes,
thank you so much. Okay guys, so apparently we had to come show you how he prepares his herbs live, how they are cooked and all that, so that just in case you want to try yours at home, you have an idea of how to boil this. The instructions are in the other videos. However, me, because I like to look peperempe, I go try my own. Make I see as the thing there for my body, so that by the time I take this one, I reach 70, I go still get power, still the bounce like Baba the bounce.